Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in just few seconds. So, here we have a sample data set of employee name and location. So, if we want to select options for the department column and um, and the users only select the specific options, and to ensure this we will use a drop down option for the department. So first of all, we want to uh, insert the department options in these cells. So first of all, we will select the cell, then go to the data tab, then click on data validation. In the setting, choose list option, and in the source we will type the options separated by commas. So I have already written the option, so I will copy paste the option here, and we will click on OK button. And now when you click on any of these cells, you will see a drop down arrow and choose from the list. First, for example, Arjun Sharma is from HR department, so we will choose HR here. We will choose finance here. Suppose Rohan Verma is from IT, so we will choose IT here. And Meera Patel is from sales, so we will choose sales here. And one by one, we will select our department. So, I hope you have understood how to use, how to insert a drop down option in Excel. Thank you for watching this video.